What's up, my Pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over another one of these really rugged car mount accessories here from the folks at Lisen. This is a great way to be able to attach your phone to a very sturdy base suction cup car mount that's made out of very durable materials and anodized aluminum. It does pivot and rotate, allowing you for multiple different angles if you want vertical or horizontal. And it's an easy installation process here that will allow you to connect it to your dashboard that will stretch down and reach you for a hands-free experience. With that said, the folks at Lisen did provide this complimentary to me and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Setting it up here, you can see you've got a couple of options here, including this nice flat pad here to be able to adhere to your dashboard if you've got a non-flat surface. And then you've got the unit itself that comes in a couple of different colors, including the white or black interior. I've got a black interior here, so I'm gonna opt into that color on installation, but you can see here, this gripping design is very rugged, it's very sturdy and durable, allowing you to hold different sizes of phone. I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and having something like this is a great option here because it will stretch all the way down your dashboard while adhering as well as suction cupping to the unit itself. The pad, it's made out of anodized aluminum, the hinges are nice and durable, and the polycarbonate design is gonna allow you to be able to hold this with these really nice roller silicone pads that are gonna be able to hold it securely into place. And having this nice soft button here that's going to be able to grip with these springs, I think is a welcome option here. You can see the chic, elegant design here, making it easy to be able to grip onto your phone, and having this little button to make it easy to be able to have this hands-free experience. Place it and press on there to be able to grip onto your phone with no problem here. You do have the option to be able to orient it 360 degrees, and then also you have these two pivot points allowing you to have it stretch all the way down on your dashboard as you install it. Okay, we're here on location. I have one of these flat pads here that I've used in the past. I do have a dashboard that has some grip here, and so having a flat surface is important to me. We're gonna go ahead and place on the Lisen car mount. It's pretty straightforward to do so. You've got adhesion here with the M3 adhesion, as well as suction with this little dial here as we demonstrated. We're gonna go ahead and install it. What I like is the option to be able to extend this out. It grips on the left and right with these silicone pads that are really nice to be able to do so. In order to unlatch it, the button right here where the Lisen logo is gonna allow you to do so, and I really like how form-fitting and durable this is. Installation is very straightforward. We're gonna take the plastic off, and then you're just gonna align it here. I'm gonna have it as centered as I can, but what's nice is it does have rotatability, and you can have it move 360 degrees. We pressed it on there. You wanna press it for an amount of time here. Once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and activate the suction. That will then give you that 2 times the suction ability. Now it's nice and rigid, but you can position it here as it rotates as well. Now we're ready to go ahead and attach the phone. You just go ahead and open it up with the little claw, the little arms there, press it in, and it will grip it. There's a lot of customization. It's nice and sturdy, yet being able to allow you to press it out and peel it off your phone. You can put it back in. It's nice and grippy here, allowing you this functionality and having this as a nice companion for your travels. With that said, I'm very pleased with this car mount. I really like how it's adhesive and suction. It's really easy to mount on your dashboard. It's got a really sleek design, allowing you to be able to grip the majority of phones out there, Android or iOS, and it's rotatable here, being able to give you that hands-free experience there while you're driving. With that said, the folks at Lisen did provide me these products here complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability for the different colors you can choose from. Thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.